Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12 and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen and there once more to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages we should have a power saving or battery saver or whatever it's called right here. It looks like it's power saving mode and you can see it right here. That could be on one of the pages. From there, once you find it, simply tap on it. As you can see, it does drop down the brightness just a little bit. It is also working with the device plugged into charge, which that's something that not every device will allow you to do. And there is also a couple other things happening in the background, which I will mention, though some of them might be visible and easily distinguishable, like the refresh rate being dropped down from 120 to 60, which is very normal. But there are other things like, for instance, Wi-Fi and mobile data being turned off when the device is in sleep mode, and this would be considered a sleep mode. And what that will result in is your notifications from plethora of different applications that would normally be delivered to you when they're being sent to you. With power saving mode, they might be delayed or just not delivered to you at all, as long as you don't interact with the device. Once you would interact with it like this, for instance, it would reconnect to network and automatically sync up every kind of data notification that it's missing. So this is one of the two options that might happen. Also, it might not be a problem at all, but chances are what you will experience is just a delay in notification delivery. That is what I'm expecting, though as you've seen, there's no info about it, so your guess is as good as mine. I'm just warning you in case that is something that might be a deal breaker for you. Maybe you rely on notifications being delivered to you right on time when they're sent, then you might want to stay away from power saving mode. Anyway, once you're done with it, you can simply turn it off by finding the toggle and tapping on it once more, and this will revert all the changes back to the way they were before you enabled it, obviously. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.